The question is calculate the coordinates of the foot of the perpendicular from the endpoint of a diameter as minus 4 comma 2 to the line 3x plus 2y is equal to 5. Now, I have just drawn a figure. This line, equation of this line is 3x plus 2y is equal to 5. Endpoint of a diameter capital B with minus 4 comma 2 is given, and PB any point on a circle, and it is a foot of a perpendicular. Now, coordinates of endpoint of a diameter B, capital B with negative 4 comma 2, where AB is a diameter. Let coordinates of foot of perpendicular be Px comma y. We are already aware that angle P is a 90 degree as AB is a diameter, angle in a semicircle. Now, equation of line AP is 3x plus 2y is equal to 5. Now, slope of AP, first we are having 2y is equal to negative of 3x plus 5 or y is equal to negative of 3 upon 2x plus 5 upon 2. So, slope of AP is equal to negative of 3 by 2. Comparing with y is equal to mx plus c, slope is equal to m. Now, slope of BP is y minus 2 upon x plus 4. Since AP is perpendicular to BP, therefore y minus 2 with x plus 4, slope of one line times slope of the another line negative 3 upon 2 is negative of 1. Now, on solving this part, what we are getting? Solving this one, we are getting 2x minus 3y is equal to negative of 14. Let this be equation 2 and this is equation 1. Now, solving equation 1 and 2, we get x is equal to minus 1 and y is 4. Hence, coordinates of foot of perpendicular is P negative of 1 and 4. Answer.